Hi, we're really excited this fall to offer you a pilot of an online tutoring service for math. It's a 24/7 operation, so we hope it'll be a big benefit for you. To access it, you're going to go through your Blackboard page, click on ThinkingStorm Tutoring. It takes you to a landing page that gives you a little information about the service, as well as customer support contact information should you need it. So let's click on ThinkingStorm. We're going to be utilizing the drop-in tutoring area, and to kind of just give you a very quick view of what it is, let's click their little tutorial. It's a chat-based service, so you'll type in a question and information you want to share. However, you can also use the whiteboard. So there are tools where you could write if you feel comfortable doing that. If that's not so good, then go ahead and click the little letter and you can use the text box feature and type in your question on the whiteboard instead. Now, it's algebra, so we probably won't be using the shapes, but there are those features should you need them. It's going to be helpful to you if you can make some screenshots ahead of time. And then once you're in your session, upload them as assets, okay? Because if they're there, you just have to drag and drop the image. Maybe it's something from my math lab, maybe it's some handwritten work that you've done, you don't know what the problem is, why you're not getting it correct. And so if you show your work, someone can help you with that. If you want to download something, you can do that as well. All right, so that's a really quick overview. If you want to see that again, remember, just go to the ThinkingStorm link, and then it's the link right here, view our tutorial. All right, so let's say we need our tutor. We're going to click Go Now. We're going to choose our category, Math, and whatever class we're in, College Algebra, and then Get Help Now. And that's it. So we really hope you find this service useful. I would welcome any questions or feedback that you have on it so we can evaluate if it's something we want to continue to offer our students or any ways to improvement. Thanks.